Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It is about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, aligned them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market global.
Yo, this is Adnan Global Access Forex. I'm very excited today in order to talk to you here in this special session. So, what is Volatility 75 Index Strategy? You see, today is what? Today is 9th of December 2021. So I'm currently, this is a signal I gave from the strategy live and direct in our BFA group. Let me pull up the signal for you. So this is my BFA group. So actually I have been already, this is the signal. The signal comes from our magic board, or I should say comes from our Volatility 75 Index magic board. Look at the signal here. This is the signal confirmation. So after we confirm the signal, we go back and took our trade, but before then we have to confirm the entry from our magic bomb strategy, and that's why we confirmed it. So we give the signal, and the signal has started running. So look at it. This is the signal I'm just in now that I've updated to them that I sell again. See, so this is the current signal. So it started reading profit. This one, this last trade. You can see it's moving $400 now. It's moving $400 now. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So please, let me tell you something. It's not about whether you are watching videos on YouTube or something. You need to understand how the strategy works and how the system works. If you don't have a strategy or a trading plan, you can come and get this Volatility 75 Index Magic strategy. It has its own strategy, it has its own trading plan, and it is all rule guide based, which if you follow the rule guide base, you can be able to get these signals. You can see these two trades. We have been holding this trade since on the 15th of last month. It's a swing trade. We have gotten an entry from the strategy. So that's tell you that you can use the strategy to swing trade or what? To scalp trade. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So please, if you are ready and you want to change your life with this available special strategy, kindly contact me or log on to my website aga-forum.com to be able to get the full new update of the strategy. You can see you can use this strategy to scalp your 1 minute time frame. You see, look at this magic hook. Assuming you got this level and the confirmation trust, you will get more than 3,000 pips from here, because volatility indices pips are very fast. You can get 3,000 pips here, 3k pips. So please, for those that are interested, kindly contact me or contact my support manager so that we can be able to get the awesome strategy. You see, this is Volatility 75 Index Magic Strategy, a special strategy dedicated to only Volatility 75 Index trading, with all its features determine, observe, use based on what we call the average true range, which is an indicator that is used to measure the average volatility of the market. That's why we are dealing with only volatility 75 index. Nice talk to you now. See you in my next video. Bye.